A lot of students keep asking me how can they improve their communication skills. I tell them it's very simple and easy. Let me share with you. Take a pen and paper. In bullet points, write down your daily routine in your own language or any other topic. Suppose, let's say, what could we say? Any topic that interests you. Maybe let's talk about your favorite book, maybe your favorite dish. Any topic, choose a topic. On that paper, take notes in your own language, like point one, I like this thing about this book. I like this thing about the author. I don't like this part. I don't relate to the story. I do relate to the story. I like the storytelling, the way the message is conveyed. So any bullet points that you like, write down. Write down in bullet points. Now you have wrote them down in your own language, which is very easy for you. Okay. So what you could do now, take each point and translate it into English. What you could do is the first sentence, write down in English. One, two, three, four. All sentences that you have wrote in the bullet points, translate them into English. You're obviously gonna make some mistake as you are learning, but it's okay. Now the point for all this is our teacher used to tell us the more senses you use, the more you are going toward the improvement. So when you are writing down, your eyes are looking at it. You are looking at it. Okay, so you're using your eyes. Then when you wrote them down, read it. When you read, you are speaking. You are also listening. So how many senses are you using? You are writing, you are listening, you're reading, you're speaking, and then find your own personal space in your house and try to speak. Talk to yourself. Put this paper in front of you like this and read once, twice, three times, again and again. So what it will do, it will help you correct your pronunciation. Suppose you are pronouncing a word differently, the way it is usually pronounced. So once you will pronounce it wrongly, second time you will improve a little bit. You obviously going to watch some videos as well. You probably will be watching news or maybe TV shows or maybe magazine, and you hear those similar words, and now try to copy them the way those people, the native speaker, the way they speak it, and the way you speak it. Try to do a balance, between your pronunciation and the native speaker pronunciation. The key point, again, the key point or the bottom line is the more you practice, the more you're gonna be fluent and confident. And apart from this, you have to remember this one thing. And this tip always works for every type of student from any place of the world. And that is, you do not need to feel shy. You do not need to be worried that if you make a mistake, somebody is going to laugh on you, or maybe your mentor or teacher, they're going to laugh on you. This is just your misconception. Now, let me paraphrase this again. What you should do is practice daily. Take a notebook, write down all the things that you would like to talk about. Write them down in your own language, then translate, then read, and again read, and talk to yourself. Just how you used to practice your exam in your school or in your college. How you used to study. Did you forget? You used to study alone. You used to memorize all the things. You used to repeat it. The same way, you have to repeat to improve your communication skill and fluency in your English. I hope this video helped you, and I'll bring more educational videos for you. Till then, take care.